Bro, I ain't gonna front, bro. This is these shoes. I like these shoes, but this is a shoe that I bought because of the name. I'm not gonna lie.
What, Beluga?
I know.
Oh, Yeezy in general.
But now I'm actually liking it. I like Air Maxes and shit now. And like I like the low key shoes, bro. I don't like Jordans no more like that. Them shit's black.
I hate these bottles, bro. Son.
Nah, you a bitch. How you going with your shirt?
Cuz, bro.
Let me see.
Are you a soft ass nigga?
No, I hate them shits, bro. I'm not an addict. So, today we gonna be trying out this little OG taco spot, you feel me? You know, when they got the little juice and they in the juice and shit. Fire, whatever, you feel me? We in Williamsburg with it today. I hope y'all enjoy. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. We out.
Just leave on Barnes? No, not even. Just the Barnes. 800, 800, 000.
This shit wild in the cut, y'all. I mean, I ain't gonna front. It look like they pretty popular, you feel me? Yeah, man, the line is pretty big right now, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Y'all smelling that, son? The front smell tight. Fire. No rap cap. Oh, damn.
I just did that. I would have minded.
I knew you was stupid, bro.
I knew I was stupid, too.
You telling me how to do math,
Because...
Yeah, he did that. You did like Travis with that
great,
angle.
bro. I look great,
Nah,
son.
I ain't gonna front you dead, dude.
That angle,
Travis
bro.
like me, nigga.
That nigga Travis like 30.
Like I said, where he about to be. Shit, you can round it.
He was taking a picture.
Huh?
They say he's gonna take a picture.
Right in my dad, bro. I swear to God, dude, I knocked my food out of my hand with a smack. 44?
Yeah, my bad.
Young.
Hey. Bro, we can take a picture when you feel me?
Nah, I was just making sure it was in it.
Oh, alright. Yeah, sure had everything.
Yeah, that's there. That's at the starter, right?
Yeah,
yeah, so
probably.
you good then. Because they put the quesadilla in the shit.
Yo, I ain't gonna front, y'all. I don't know if I can make it all the way to the house, bro. The way this shit's smelling.
Nah, front. It do smell mad good.
Yo.
I want to bite.
This shit smells fire right now. Yo.
I ain't gonna front. I was like, I'm probably gonna say something. I'm probably about to eat this.
Nah, I'm about to tag it.
Everybody out here acting bold. My question is, why the fuck you ain't eat it cold?
Yeah. I think this is the mulita.
You know what it
and the enchilada. The mulita.
Nah, this shit. I ain't trying to look, man. Yeah, I don't care about it.
I got the.
It's Taco Tuesday!
And we got the taco.
Oh, that shit already cut my finger, see?
And the soup is.
I was like, I'm not about to cut
Oh,
my
it's
finger.
twisting, but it's not open.
Yeah, it's not popping.
Exactly.
I thought it was you guys gonna have to, you feel me, get a knife.
What, to cut it?
Nah, what? Cut it. I mean, oh yeah, I got one of those.
Feel me? Just that easy. Fuck that. I'm gonna definitely squeeze me a little lime on that, big. Oh, I just said it.
How the fuck I answer my phone from here?
Nah, you feel me? You got to do the dip. So we came here for. Oh, I smell a parsley OD, you feel me? You like parsley busting.
Cilantro.
Oh man. That grilled flavor, you feel me? Trying to buy it.
I wish it was a little spicy.
Nah, I like it. Well, it ain't nothing bad. So you feel me? It should give a spicy or mild option.
The flavors is
The
there.
flavors is there. Right. The pepper, I mean the steak
Maybe
is
this
soft.
is, you feel me?
Hmm?
Maybe this is the hot sauce.
Oh yeah, that is the sauce for it. I'm wrong. I forgot this is not the sauce. This is this other shit.
That steak is extremely soft.
I don't feel no body. Fire for that.
No resistance.
That shit is bumping.
Right, and then you got the marinated tortilla. This is what I was talking about, like how the tortilla is red. That's amazing, y'all.
No, I know this shit busting. I ain't take out a single onion from this taco.
Oh, shit, the whole taco fell in there, bro. Child, what the
Nigga
fuck?
said his whole taco fell in there.
Nigga making left.
My whole taco fell in. Look at my fucking hands, nigga.
Bro, how?
What you mean, how? Look at my fucking hands.
I'm ready. I don't know about y'all. On to the net. Nah. I got a million ways to get it. Choose one. Hey, bring it back. Let's double your money and make it. Alright. Alright, man. I think this is called a molita. You know what I mean? It got like a nacho. It's nice and hard.
No, I think that's the tostada, bro.
Tostada?
Yeah, that's definitely the tostada.
So I'm supposed to, where my molita then?
That's your molita right there.
Oh.
Cause look, we all got that. That's the
Oh,
only
you got a
thing we
molita?
Yeah, that's the tostada.
You feel me? You say you want a piece of this shit, right?
Yeah, I ain't know it came like that though. Feel me? We go ahead and knock that down.
I mean, it's the top one. I don't know if it's because of the chicken and shit, but the top one a little softer. Let me see if I can try and
You
dip
gonna
it.
add no onions?
Huh? Nah, I'm chilling with that.
You got this. I ain't
I'm gonna dip it. Come on, show them what you're doing.
Oh.
Hey, your sauce got meat in it.
That's what she said.
So it's valid.
What is that?
This is the tostada, a piece of the tostada.
That shit crack.
Niggas ain't want to eat it.
Everything on the menu under $20. Everything together on the menu under $20. Gotta try it. Feel me, a little quick. So, nice little full spot. Got the bar right next door. You want to drink? So, maybe. I highly recommend.
Niggas got a taco truck, a tattoo parlor, and a bar next to each other.
Feel me?
It's sad niggas.
Perfect setup. Niggas get drunk, niggas get a tattoo, go get some tacos.
That sound like the perfect day.
It's capping. I'm dead ass full.
Well, you said you wasn't gonna get full.
Yeah, I was like, wait till we get home to see if it actually make me full. I'm dead ass full.
I like that. Alright, they got a little like cheese on the top. I mean, like the ricotta cheese or something. Parmesan.
I know mozzarella's in the middle. I don't know what's on the top though.
Yeah. Something greeny.
Fuck with it.
It's alright.
Nah, I'm dead fucking with it. Like fucking with it low key.
Yeah, and that shit was dead cheap.
It was only $1 more than a taco, I think.
I still go to Taco Bell though.
Nah, hell no.
Nah, hell nah. If I had this, nah, hell nah.
Hello.
Yeah. I ain't never had protruding. Shit, I sharded though. I ain't
Yeah,
gonna lie.
nah, yeah. I definitely recommend. What y'all rating this?
Nah, that's a 10 out of 10. That shit
10?
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to shard.
I'm giving it an 8 because it's extremely good, but I haven't had other tacos too, you feel me?
See, I'm Spanish. I grew up on that.
Okay.
Nah, I ain't gonna front. I get like call 'em 9.
Nah?
9, 8.5, 9, 8.5, 9.
Yeah, nah, that shit fire, bro. But I definitely recommend it.
Fine, wine, dine, make wine, drink, wine, huh?
If you think you got a taco spot that can match this shit, let me know down in the comments. You feel me?
Uh-huh.
Not an addict.
Uh-huh.
That's who I am.
Facts.
Here my boy CJ.
You feel me?
Literally Castro on the back.
Definitely.
I hope y'all enjoyed, man.
Feel me? What else? Leave a like. Facts. Comment. What else? Subscribe.
Definitely.
Suck my dick.
Simple.